Hello listeners, this is an interesting episode on chemistry of smartphone. As we know, there is a very less or no use of smartphones before 20 years. But nowadays everyone have a smartphone. For example, Apple iPhone 3 Pro, Google Pixel 6 Pro, Oppo Find X3 Pro, OnePlus 9 Pro, Sony Xperia 1/3, Asus ROG Phone 5s Pro, Xiaomi 11T Pro are example of some popular smartphones. So I want to say that nowadays everyone have a smartphone. Do you know what is the chemistry behind these smartphones? There are different chemistry elements used to build smartphones. Typically, smartphones contain many elements like silver, gold, lithium, terbium, yttrium, gadolinium, indium, tin, oxygen, carbon, copper, tantalum, silicon, antimony, arsenic, phosphorus, gallium, etc. Generally, on average, a smartphone contains about 300 mg silver and 30 mg gold. Do you know what is the symbol of silver? Its symbol is Ag, having atomic number 47 and atomic mass 107.87. And what is the atomic number of gold? Atomic number of gold is 79 and its symbol is Au, having atomic mass 196.97. Battery in smartphones. Generally, smartphones have lithium ion battery. This battery have lithium cobalt oxide as a positive electrode and carbon or graphite as a negative electrode. This negative electrode releases electrons which travel towards positive electrode. As a result, provide power to your smartphone. Screens in your smartphones contain some of elements which are as follows: praseodymium, Pr having atomic number 59 and atomic mass 140.91, terbium, atomic symbol Tb, having atomic number 65 and atomic mass 158.93, yttrium, symbol Y, having atomic number 39 and atomic mass 88.91, gadolinium, Gd, having atomic number 64 and atomic mass 157.25. Touch screen in your mobiles or smartphones are used to get input from user and are generally transparent. All these are possible due to following elements: indium, In symbol, having atomic number 49 and atomic mass 114.82, tin, symbol Sn, having atomic number 50 and atomic mass 118.71, oxygen, symbol O, having atomic number 8 and atomic mass 16. Wiring in your smartphones or electrical circuits are made up of copper and capacitors are made up of tantalum. Capacitors store regulate electricity and lose electrical charge in fractions of second. Microchip or CPU, central processing unit, also called brain of smartphone, is made up of silicon, oxygen, antimony, arsenic, phosphorus and gallium. All these elements are used to produce highly conductive power microchips, so you can play games, watch videos, click photos, use your phone camera for taking selfie. It's very interesting. Audio, video recording, calling, chatting, using apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, iTunes, or whatsoever stuff you like to do with your smartphone is only possible due to these microchips. These microchips are containing silicon, symbol Si having atomic number 14 and atomic mass 28.09, oxygen having symbol O and atomic number 8, atomic mass 16, antimony symbol Sb having atomic number 51, atomic mass 121.76, arsenic having symbol As, atomic number 33, atomic mass 74.92, phosphorus symbol P having atomic number 15 and atomic mass 30.97, gallium symbol Ga having atomic number 31 and atomic mass 69.73. Do you know what's inside your smartphone? Smartphones is made up of different components which are assembled to make smartphones, like display to show visual content, touch screen to take input from user, cameras to take photos, selfie or to shoot videos, microphone to receive audio and to record sound, case, body of smartphone, battery to provide power, SIM card slot for SIMs, speakers for sound and to listen music, sensors for different purpose like ambient light sensor for light intensity, means automatically set screen brightness according to surrounding light and ultimately save battery life, gyroscope and accelerometer to play video games, as these sensors track phone movement, digital compass to detect north direction for maps and navigation purpose, proximity sensor used to prevent unwanted touch commands by locking phone during phone call when you bring phone near your ear, motherboard are printed circuits board containing principal components of smartphone with connectors for other circuits boards to be slotted into, memory to store data, movies, photos, videos, songs, transceiver to transmit and receive communications, radio to transmit data or to receive data, cell phone radio that communicate with cell tower when you make a call, Wi-Fi radio to download big files, movies, songs, etc. and they consume less battery as they travel very less distance. Bluetooth radio, NFS radio, GPS radio, etc. are used in smartphones. All these components contain some chemical elements of periodic table as we discussed, and when all components are assembled, they give your smartphone to be used and give it a life which we use in our daily life. Thank you listener to listening this episode. This episode is brought to you by Chemistry Notes Info. So do visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Also subscribe and follow this episode, this podcast, to listening more interesting science, facts and chemistry knowledge. Thank you to listening this episode.